Right, this is question 9, and we were given a function, an unknown function, h of x is equal to minus x cubed plus x squared plus bx, and g of x as minus 12x. And we're also given p as q, p and q, which are the turning points of h. And question 9.1, we were asked to show that a is equal to 3 over 2, and that b is equal to 6. So we've done that, so now in 9.2 we have access to the full equation of h. So we can use that. Okay, so question 9.2 says, calculate the average gradient of h between p and q if it is given that x is equal to -1 at p. Okay, so they've given us the x coordinate at p, so p is unknown. So we just need to find the y coordinate. But we have the equation to find the y coordinate because it's the y coordinate at -1 for the graph h. Okay, so that means that h of -1 is equal to -1 cubed plus 3 over 2 times -1 squared plus 6 times -1. Okay, so that will come out as negative times -1 cubed, which is -1, so then we'll get +1 here, plus 3 over 2 minus 6. Okay, and if you plug that into your calculator, you'll get minus 3,5. Okay, so if you're not comfortable with maybe this, just plug it in your calculator and it should work out. Just make sure you use brackets in every spot that you have in x. So that means that the coordinates of p are -1, -3,5. Okay, so we've got the point, and now we need to use it to find the average gradient, so as asked in this question. So what is the average gradient? Well, if you think of our axes, and we have our 2 points, we have p down here somewhere, it's -1, -3.5, and we have q, which is 210, so that's somewhere here, and it's cubic, so it's going to look something like that. No, it's going to have something connecting those points, and the average gradient simply means to find the gradient of the line which connects those 2 points. So it averages out all the gradients between it. So all we need to do is we need to find the gradient of the straight line that runs through the points P and Q. And how do we do that? Well, we just use the normal delta y over delta x formula that you use to find for a gradient of a straight line. Okay, so the average gradient is equal to f of qx. Okay, so that is just the x coordinate of q. Okay, minus f of px. So that is just the x coordinate of p. In fact, actually, that's not great, is it? Should rather write f of xq minus f of xp. Okay. Over xq minus xp. Okay, so that is just the delta y over delta x equation that you'd use to find the gradient of a straight line. Okay, so we've got these values. What is the y coordinate of q? Well, it's given to us up here. It's 10. 10, and the y coordinate of p is minus 3.5, which was calculated here. Minus 3,5. All over 2 minus 1. Okay, and that comes out to be 4,5. Doesn't make sense. Well, we can see clearly that we have a positive line that connects these 2 points. So it makes sense that the answer comes out as positive.